welcome to SmallmouthCrush. It's day 2 of the Bassmaster Classic. It's early, it's about 4 o'clock in the morning maybe. I hear Matt's alarm going off, but I can't get him up, so we're gonna see if we can wake him up real quick. It's all coming up. So Matt had a rough night, as I did too, but he's kind of passed out there, and his alarm goes off at all the time. Oh, hey, buddy, you awake?
Yeah, I'm awake.
Where was your hand?
Hold my balls.
Dude, you all right?
Yeah.
You're in the same clothes you went to bed in.
So?
Are you gonna get up?
Yep.
When?
Right now.
I doubt that. I'm gonna put the camera right here, and it's gonna watch. Make sure you get up. Right next to your beer bottles. Matt.
I'm up.
Come on, man. I don't want to beep all this out. You alright, dude?
Yeah, fine.
What time did you get to bed?
I don't know. Whenever I came in.
What's that wristband mean?
We got in.
You got it. It's gonna be a good day, dude.
No, it's not.
Why is that? It's St. Patrick's Day, bro. You can't rip that off. I had 3 of them on. Yeah, I bit mine off too.
Yeah,
Come on, dude. We gotta get up, man.
what time we gotta be down here? 5?
I don't know. Is it 5 or 5:15?
5:15.
So it's 4:40 right now.
Oh, we got plenty of time.
Okay. See what I gotta deal with, guys? No, actually.
Yeah, look at what I gotta f***ing deal with.
That was me yesterday morning. Right here.
You were worse.
Not that bad. We're gonna go hand out thundersticks at the launch.
Just suck it.
We're in South Carolina at the Bassmaster Classic.
I'm gonna that goddamn GoPro. Shove it so far up your ass.
You don't say.
Are you done?
Yes.
What do you want to what are you videotaping me still for? What are you still videotaping me for? Huh?
Well, looks like Matt woke up. Thank God. I was a little concerned.
That's terrible.
I was a little concerned, dude. He's grumpy. He's grumpy this morning.
Terrible.
Me? I'm ready to go. Clean shaven? Not really. Phone, breath mints, check. Water, check. Travis and Matt, check. Double check. Man,
Where's Scotty B when you need him?
Matt's like, did you have a bump this morning? No.
You don't even know what a bump is.
I've never had a bump in my life,
You
but
don't even know what a bump is.
I don't need bump, dude. I'm ready to go. This is how I'm wired, guys. A lot of people don't understand this about me. I literally can go for days and days and days without sleep or rest.
Have mercy on me. See what I deal with.
He's going right for the coffee. Look at that. I thought you'd go for that, though, right there. What's on tap today?
Nothing good.
No? It's not like you drank a whole lot. I've seen you drink more. By the way, my fantasy fishing lineup, not so well.
Yeah. Hey,
not so
look,
well.
Look, whoever you are and whoever you're looking at and whoever's watching this, you ever make it to the Classic and you know Travis, do not get on his fantasy fishing team.
I know.
Because they all stunk.
Terrible. Terrible.
We gave out 800 beanies,
Somewhere around
bunch
there.
of thundersticks.
804.
We did our job.
804 beanies.
We made it.
37 #1 foam fingers.
Yes, foam fingers, mission accomplished. We're heading back to the room, get cleaned up, head down to the expo.
Again.
To do it all over again. Just hand them out, man. Hand them out.
It's all right.
One left, last one. We're done. Pretty much wraps up day 2 of the Bassmaster Classic. We're gonna head back to the hotel. Go grab something to eat, because you never know what the night's gonna bring. Until next time, see you guys on the water.